Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In last lesson, I told you we apply color coding for our grade sheet. The color changes with pass, excellent, and fail. For fail, it become red as you see here. For excellent, become dark green. For example, I change this one to 45. Directly, it become red. This one to, for example, 60. It become satisfactory. The color changes and the grade scale also changes. First, I want to delete the rules for this cell. Then from conditional formatting, clear rules. Okay, now I don't have anything. For example, I selected this red color for file, this one for pass, this color for satisfactory. Just selected all the cells. Then from home, here we have conditional formatting, new rule. Okay, select it, format only cells that contain. Cell value, make it specific text. Containing, or let's be containing, okay? This one, the text, for example, for file, select it from format, fill, select red color. Okay. Okay, good. You see directly these two become file. Again, I selected the cells, conditional formatting, manage rules. Here add new rule, format only cells that contain, cell value, specific text, containing, very good. For example, excellent. Okay, select it, this dark green. This dark green, okay? Okay. Another rule, new rule, format only cells that contain, cell specific text, containing, for example, satisfactory. Factory. Select a color. For satisfactory, I selected this color, okay? Good. Again, okay. New rule. This time, format only cells that contain, cell value, make it specific text, containing, this time pass. I selected this color for pass. Okay. Okay. Fail, pass, satisfactory, good. New rule. For good, format only cells, cell specific text, containing, good. Format, for good, I selected this color. Okay. Okay. Again, new rule. Format only cells that contain specific text. For very good, I select it from format. For example, I select this one. Let it be this color. Okay. Okay. Apply. Now we have an error, you see. Now it is good. Now it is very good. For example, I change this one to 75. Good. This one to 90. It become excellent. Sometimes cell good and very good give the same color because all cells contain is good. At this case, just select the in format condition, select it as value, not as a text. Select the cell for good, new rule. Okay, format only cells that contain. At this time, just select cell value equal to, for example, good. Okay, apply color. For example, I apply this color. Yes, this color. Okay, okay. Now if I check the rules, manage rules, for good, I have this two color. For example, I select this one and delete it. Apply. Okay, good. That's the way to apply color code for your grade sheet. Now let us change the sum. Directly it become excellent. This one let be 80. Very good. This one let be 70. Good. 60. Satisfactory. 50. Pass. 40. Fail. Good. Now let me show you something else. That's the applying color code. Here, if you want to format cell to write something like this, align the text and fill all these text together, these cells together. From here, just I select it, all these cells. From home, I have merge and center, merge. Then right click, format cell. From alignment, select center for horizontal. For bottom, also select center. From alignment here, select the degree. For example, I select 45 or minus 45, minus 45 or 45. Fill color. From here you can select fill, but I don't select it. Okay. Now write, for example, ENG-School. Directly goes to the center, and from fill, select the color type, this color, and for fill I select this color, make it 18 and make it bold. Also you can change the text style. For example, I select this one to Times New Roman. Okay, enter. Times New Roman, sorry, Times New Roman, enter. It change it. You can select another color, for example, red color. Don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice time.